I'm going to wear these shorts on top of these leggings just to keep this video advertiser friendly. Hi guys, thank you so much for clicking and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. So in today's video I'm going to review some faux shorts that I got from Amazon, a company called Sutaya. It's on Amazon, so I'll put the Amazon link in the description box down below for all the shorts that I'm going to review today. Guys, I've been telling you, if you really don't want to get a fupa, I advise you to go for high-waisted panties, leggings, so that you don't get the fupa. So like these pants, this short that I'm going to show you today are the best, like just to prevent you from getting the fupa, and also just to cover that extra fat that is around your tummy. And then also, if you have a small butt, like these shorts are the best because it kind of just create that illusion of bigger butt because they're scrunched at the back. So guys, I have like 4 of them, like tie and dye, this and this. They're all high-waisted. I have the leggings on, they're all high-waisted, and this tie and dye was actually my favorite because like the color itself just creates, like, if you want like someone to think like you have a big butt, just go for something that is multicolored. So like this was just the best, and then the fact that it's scrunched at the back, it also creates that illusion of bigger butt. So if you want to get a big butt, if you want to create that illusion of bigger butt, you can go for these pants. Scrunched at the back, high-waisted. So this navy blue one is just the same as the first one, the tie and dye one, but I felt like this one stretched more compared to the tie and dye one. It's just the same, high-waisted and scrunched at the back. This one was so simple, it's not scrunched at the back, but then it's high-waisted, and then I really loved the band like around the waist, like it was so tight and tucks in like that extra fat. These leggings are my favorite because I can wear it anytime, any day, because of course they're leggings, they're long, they're not short compared to the other two. Let me just try them on and just comment down below your favorite, the one that you love the most, the one that you can go for. And also I'll put the links for all these shorts that I'm going to try today and the legging in the description box down below, just in case you're interested. Okay, I'm going to wear these shorts on top of these leggings just to keep this video advertiser friendly. So I decided to wear the shorts on top of these stockings just because I don't want to show you what you're not supposed to see, but then it's not that thick, so like it won't make any difference. So as you can see, like it blends so well in my complexion, like you can't tell that this is not my thighs, but then guys, again, I didn't want to show you what you're not supposed to see. So these shorts are very, very comfortable, and there's no why I decided to pair them with this top. It's because I'm not a gym person. Like I can't tell you like I wear this to the gym because I don't go to the gym. I rarely go to the gym, I rarely work out. So these shorts are very good for those people who love working out. You can go with them to the gym, but for like someone like me, I can just chill with them in the house because I'm not going to the gym. And then they're very comfortable, breathable, and then I also love the fabric. Like the fabric is very, very comfortable. So this is the second short, and it's very, very comfortable, tie and dye, scrunched at the back, and then on the sides you can adjust it. On the sides you can pull it to however short you want it to be, or you can pull it down to however long you want it to be. And then I really love the fact that it's scrunched at the back, so it kind of creates that illusion of a bigger butt. And then also the fact that because it's tie and dye, like it's just going to create that illusion of a bigger butt as well. Like if you don't have a big butt, guys, and you really want to look like you have a big butt, go for these shorts. And so you can adjust it to whichever length you want. If you want it shorter, if you want it to look like an underwear, you can as well just adjust it to that length. So I'm pulling it up again just to make it shorter, to look like a high-waisted underwear. And again, guys, you're not seeing what you're not supposed to see. I have stockings on, so yeah. These third shorts, again, they are my favorites because they are scrunched at the back, but then I felt like it stretched more compared to the tie and dye one. The tie and dye one was like really tight around the tummy area, and I love the fact that it was really tight, but this one I felt like it really stretched too much compared to the first one. And then it was not transparent because I have leggings that looks exactly like these shorts, and they were transparent, but this one they are not transparent. So Again, scrunched at the back, high-waisted, good for your tummy, good for your butt. It makes your butt look bigger than it actually is. This leggings was my favorite because I felt like it really tucks the tummy in and just gives you that hourglass shape figure. And then also the pattern at the back also kind of creates that illusion of a bigger butt, like this pattern that you see on the sides. And then also in front, like it also creates an illusion of like bigger hips. So the pattern, I really love the pattern on these pants because of like the shape that it's like, just an illusion that it gives, like you have a bigger butt, like you have bigger hips. And I really also love the fact that it was very, very comfortable. Like the fabric is very, very comfortable. So guys, I just want you to comment below your favorite short, or if this legging is your favorite, because I really love this legging, and the tie and dye short, like they are my favorite. So that was it for today, guys. Just comment below your favorite color or style, and also I'll put the Amazon link of all the shorts and the legging that I've reviewed in the description box down below, just in case you're interested. That was it for today, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.